Hey everyone, this video kind of takes you through the mind of a student, yourselves, and how we do today's learning. What am I looking for in today's assignment? So I've already gone into the Google Classroom for classwork. I'm viewing today's assignment, Design a Paper Plane, Monday, October 5th. And I'm reading this overview. Good morning. Over the next few days, we'll take our learning from conducting experiments, so that's what we worked on last week and the week before, with the different kinds of variables, observations, predictions, and inferences. And we're going to apply it to designing and improving paper planes. So, your assignment today includes number 1, use Monday, October 5th Google Slides to learn about designing planes and important parts of planes. So, when I open up Monday, October 5th, it'll take you to these slides. Okay. And so today, we're going to learn how to design a paper plane called the Dart, and what are important parts to a paper plane. Okay, you're going to need at least one sheet of paper, and you're going to need curiosity and an open mind. Some of us have built paper planes before, some of us have not, but that's okay. We're here to learn and we're here to try new things. So when I go to slide 3, I've included 2 sets of directions for how you can build your own paper plane called the Dart. If you'd rather make your own, that's fine, but if you click on this picture, you will see directions that you can see and read. It'll take you to a website. But if you click on this picture, the one that's aimed at in blue, you can click on this picture for the Dart YouTube instructions. So that one has me kind of talking through it, reading the directions, looking at the pictures at the same time. This part, again, red has the YouTube video. I should probably make an arrow. In fact, I'm going to do that very quickly. And we'll make the line red, and we'll add a there. Clicking on that video, boom. On that picture, excuse me, will give you a video that talks about the parts, kind of introducing mainly the 6 main parts of a plane. The blue, what's linked to in blue, it's a picture. It's another one that you can read on your own, look at on your own. You can click on that link too. I also feature it on the next slide. And then slide 6, your assignment has 3 parts today. You're going to build a paper plane. All right? You have a lot of freedom on how you build your plane. You can make your own, you can reference the Dart, you can make your own tweaks and changes. Where's mine? I just had my, there it is. The videos that you see earlier in the slides. Here is my Dart. I called it the Glider yesterday. We'll try flying your plane, and you can make observations. While you're testing your plane, you should just be kind of looking at how does it fly. Does it fly straight? Does it turn left or right? Does it do flips? Does it fly fast or does it fly slow? Just what's happening as you keep testing your plane. And then lastly, upload a video onto Flipgrid. Okay, you have to click on this link to create and upload your video. For Flipgrid from Friday, only 3 people posted, so I really want to show you how to do that. So when you go to Flipgrid, you'll click on the link so it'll look a little different to you, but you're going to see a link for today, October 5th, design a paper plane. Okay, in your video, it shouldn't take more than 45 seconds. And if it does, maybe redo it, but like we want to share a few things in 45 seconds. 1, your name. So tell us your name. Number 2, your plane's name. Very creative, keep it school appropriate, obviously. And then lastly, describe how your plane flies in a couple sentences. So like when I'm at CPA, by the way. So when I test my plane inside, I'm going to try throwing it so then you can maybe see it very briefly with the camera. When I test my plane, maybe you saw it, I couldn't tell from the screen. Try again. So like that one, for instance, that plane flew really kind of well. It glided and it just kind of sank down. And so typically my plane flies straight. Sometimes it goes up and then falls back down. But that time it kind of glided and it turned left. Didn't do any flips. It didn't really fly super fast, but it also wasn't super slow either. It was kind of in that medium range of speeds. And so I should see your Flipgrid video with those 3 things in it. That's today's assignment. Enjoy your learning.